Yaraban, we are at the entrance of Fushimi Inari Shrine. It's really nice, I'll show you. Chajan! Just from the station, that's the station. It's here na, and then it's a lot of steps lang. It's a piece of prayer. Let's pray in quiet. Okay. So when you enter yan, that gate is what they call a Torii gate. So when you pass through that, you have to bow. So kami, we bowed, pero hindi na namin binidyohan. So we entered through another gate. Ito ata yung main temple. And then, ayun yung Inari Guardians. And then dito, you have to wash your hands. So inside, we have to keep quiet kasi ito ata yung parang main temple kasi may nag-perform and everything, bawal dyan ng photography. Tapos makikita nyo to. You can buy yung mga torii. Tapos you write your wish. Tapos isasabit siya. Here pala yung billion, yung mga nandun. May wish na. Tapos dun mo ihuhulog yung payment. They also have yung Omokuji so it's written in Japanese. Hindi na tayo bibili. I think yun yung fortune mo. Pero let's go. Hahanapin natin yung madaming Torii gates. Yung sunod-sunod. Ayun na yung madaming Torii gates. Hintayin lang natin si Mami. Kaya mo yan. Hindi natin nakayanan akyatin ang lahat ng Torii gate sa Fushimi Inari. Frankly kasi, hindi naman talaga tayo fit. Pero we saw naman yung itsura niya. Kaso super daming tao. So, ang daming nagpapapicture din. So, yun lang, medyo crowded siya. Like, lahat ng photos ma-expect na may tao. Now, mag-food trip naman tayo here sa Fushimi Inari Shrine since meron ding mga food here. Charan! So, they have 10 yen coin. Tikman natin siya. So, bumili tayo ng 10 yen coin. Tingnan natin kung may cheese pool. And then, ito yung 10. Ito yung sa Uji ata. Pak! Walang cheese. Malayo naman ang cheese. Ayun. Tikman mo lang siya for the experience. Aside from that, nothing really special. I don't know what that is. May takoyaki! Nag-buy na rin ako ng takoyaki. Tikman natin siya. Parang sarap kasi. Ito ay parang fried xiaolong daw. Twisters. Yakitori. Ayan, crab stick! Masarap daw to. Ito ang wagyu steak. Yan, mainit-init pa siya. So, this is the wagyu steak on stick for 1,000 yen. Let's try naman yung crab stick. Medyo mainit siya. So, bibigyan nila sa'yo siya ng bear. Tapos, ikaw maglalagay ng salt, pepper, and mayonnaise. This one naman is 900 yen. Malaki siya, ha? Okay naman. Nothing really special. Meron tangholo, so let's just buy. Tikman lang natin. Crunchy. Pero maasim yung strawberry. Caravan. So now, we're on our way naman to Kiyomizu Temple. In that temple, yun yung may waterfall sa loob. Tapos, iinom ka. May parang 4 falls. Tapos, kung ano yung gusto mo. Kunyari, kung gusto mo for health, kung gusto mo for success, iinom ka from that waterfall. From Inari Station. Nag-Keihan Railway tayo. Bumaba tayo ng Shichijo. Now, we're going to ride a bus. Caravan. We are on our way to Kiyomizu there or Kiyomizu Temple. And ito ang tatahakin nyo. Tadaan! It's an upward slope. As per Google Maps, 650 meters daw to. Caravan! So, ayan na yung Kiyomizu Temple. Can you see it? Ayun. There. Now, let's go inside and enter para makapasok tayo dun sa waterfall. Ayan siya, oh. Upward slope. Ayan, temple. Kaso parang not very PWD friendly to. Yan ang inakyat natin. Now, let's go up there. This is Kiyomizu Temple. Ayan yung sikat niyang tore. Here yung others. So, this is the pagoda. Ayan. So, after yung pagoda, akyat lang kayo. Just past the pagoda. So, there's an entrance fee. Ayan na. 500 yen for an adult. And cash only. So, there's the entrance to Kiyomizu Temple. We got our tickets. It's 500 yen for an adult. So, we're going to enter inside kung saan yung waterfall. And then there are 3 waterfalls daw. Dun sa 3 na waterfall, you have to choose kung love, health, or success. Tapos kung ano yung gusto mo, dun ka iinom. From this temple, you have to go down these stone steps. And then, ayun yung 3 waterfall. So, we've arrived. There's a line. Ayan na, yung tabi yung waterfall. But there's a line, so let's fall in line. So, ito na yung Otowa waterfall. And then, ayan, may tatlong parang streams. That's love, success, or health. So from this angle, the one on the left is for success, the one in the middle for love, and then yung far right is for health. You also have this UV sterilizers para dyan sa long cups. So yan long cups, yan yung sasalo dun sa water. And then don't drink directly from it. Lalagay mo siya sa hands mo, tas dun ka iinom. So after using, ibabalik mo lang siya dyan for other people to use naman. Yeah, then, so, from Kiyomizu-dera, we went to Kyoto Station, which is okay lang, kasi malapit lang siya sa hotel. So, yun sa may Isetan. And we're going to eat at Tonkatsu Wako. So, this one, syempre, from their name, ang sikat is Tonkatsu. So, this is our order. That's my mom's order. This is the Hirokatsu, and then this is the oyster. You have this, which is Tonkatsu sauce, and then that, which is yung dressing ng salad, and of course, miso soup. Oh, they have lemon, mayo. Not very nice. Cabbage. Super, ano siya? Soft. Sarap na yung crab ko. Sarap yung crab ko, kaya. Oo, sarap. Buti na lang. Hindi masarap yung oyster. Ito aking kawan mochi. That's what it looks like. Medyo salty. Try naman natin sa mayonnaise. You can refill your rice for free. So we asked for another bowl. And then yung miso soup nila, may clams. I'll show you. May clams. So, first things first. Ito muna yung bowl 1. Wow! Rice bowl 1. Rice bowl 2. Second bowl. It's like new. Yaraban! Now, today, for our itinerary, we are going to Uji. So, doon tayo magla-lunch, and then we're going to visit yung Byodoin Temple, and then magma-matcha, kasi Uji is apparently the matcha capital of Japan. So, let's go! So now we've arrived at Uji's exit tayo through the south gate, and then we're going to have our lunch at a restaurant na popular daw for green tea or like matcha soba and their matcha desserts. So let's go. This is Uji. This is it. So from the station, Southgate exit, bumabalan tayo. Naglakad, nag-ride, tumawid, and this is it. Diyan tayo kakain sa Nakamura Tokichi. So, let's go! Pasok lang tayo. Tapos, pagpasok natin, may ganito. Para siyang exhibit ng matcha. And, ito yung store nila. Okay, so this is where they sell all kinds of matcha goods. And then, dito this is where you get a number. Para makapag-reserve tayo ng table. And then, I think that's the restaurant itself. You'll get this, and then you have an option if inside or outside seating. You chose outside, and then you scan this QR code to know kung pang ilan ka sa line. And then ito yung restaurant itself. Yaraban! Nag-iintay pa rin tayo na tawagin tayo. Pero for now, bumili muna tayo dun sa store nila. Tikman natin tong matcha chocolate sandwich cookie. It's good. It's sweet, but it still has that matcha taste. Hard yung cookie, tapos parang may soft inside. Masarap, masarap. They also have Hojicha chocolate, so it's like that, pero different flavor. Mas masarap yung matcha. This one naman, Hojicha. I think it's like a Madeline. Gusto ko yung texture niya. Not too sweet, which is nice. Now, let's try the matcha Madeline. I like this. It's no wonder na known sila for matcha. Guys, bumalik kami sa Nakamura Tokichi. Kaso, pagdating namin, tinawag kami 3:06. Wala na raw noodles. So, ayun. Ang last order kasi nila is 3 for noodles. So, after 3 p.m., hindi ka na makakakain ng noodles. So, consider nyo lang yun. You have to go here very early kasi ang dami ng tao. So, bumili tayo ng ice cream pampalubag loob din sa shop nila. Okay na, ma'am. Kahit na strong yung matcha taste, masarap siya. Although ang hirap kumain dito, I suggest you still visit kasi ang sasarap ng goods nila. Ang ganda din siya pampasalubong. Bumili rin ako ng matcha candy. Masarap siya. Urban 20 house matcha. Ganyan lang kagami. 800 yen. What is this? Lasang lasang isda. No. And then this, very aesthetic. Tikman natin kasi naman mas masarap na ice cream. Masarap ang ice cream. Closing na ata sila, so hindi tayo nakabili ng soba noodles. This one is good, I like it. Yaraban. we went dun sa Tuyen Tea House kasi hindi na nga kami nakakain ng noodles. Pero, they were selling yung mga accessories for matcha making ganun. So, bumili tayo. Tcharan! So, ayun, if you're looking for matcha accessories like mixing bowl and other stuff, better dito bumili kasi mas mura siya. Bluefin tuna. Parang normal lang. May tail yung shrimp. Salmon roll.
Lalagyan. Kasama yung mga gold.
Scallop. Squid leg. Kita request pala. Squid. Kobe beef. Napapaisip ka na, yun na yun. Last inay. Saan mo na yun? Isa pa. Ano na kaya? Good. Love it. Ito bago. Puputok na ako.